Look at these guys.
Oh my
Oh,
God.
look at the white. Oh, she's so
Look at the
pretty.
little black one with the white chest.
Oh, hi, babies.
I don't know what they are, but they're cute. Look at these white ones.
Look at this guy, black duck with white. The size of mallards. Look at her. You got white in you too, baby.
Cat, look at him.
Whoa. Look how beautiful you guys are. Oh, she's doing that weird mating thing.
Yeah.
Look, and there's another white one.
Because look at their coloring.
Beautiful.
The coloring's weird.
Oh, wackos.
Oh my God, look, she has got the blue feathers on her wings, just like the females. I love this one. This little guy is cute.
The black one with the white chest?
Yes.
Yeah. Oh my God, they're acting all right.
They're
Okay.
acting all like they want a girlfriend.
All right. Oh my God, beautiful. Whoa.
Ooh, did you see him?
Yeah.
Look, she's chasing this one. She's like, I'm
God, it's so nasty out and it's
face in the water.
cold. Oh my God, that one's seeping. She's seeping. And there's the black one with there's another white one. Beautiful.
Look at her. Looks like she's doing that ice. Where they throw
All right,
the thing.
guys. Bye.